Emma, I think I am traumatized. I went to the big supermarket down the street, and I walked out with 10 boxes of cat food.
Oh no, Alex, do you even have a cat?
No, I don't. But the lady asked me something about a deal, and I just nodded and said yes, please, because I didn't understand her.
That is hilarious, but also very expensive for someone without a cat.
Please help me. I need to know how to talk to these people before I buy a whole cow by accident.
Don't worry, Alex. Today we are going to master the supermarket survival guide for everyone at the A1 and A2 levels. Shopping in the US isn't just about picking up food. It's a social event. You have to talk to the greeter, the people in the aisles, and the cashier.
A greeter? You mean someone just stands there and says hello?
Exactly. Big stores like Walmart have people at the door just to say hi. You should know how to respond to, "How are you doing today?"
Can I just say milk?
No, you have to be polite. We call this small talk, and it is the heart of American shopping. When you can't find something, don't just point and grunt. Use the magic phrase, "Excuse me, do you know where the is?"
Excuse me, where's the pizza? Is that okay?
It is okay, but do you know where the pizza is? Sounds much more natural.
Wait, the word is moves to the end again. English is so backwards sometimes.
It feels that way, but it's the indirect question rule. It makes you sound very kind and educated. Let's look at 3 words people often get wrong: aisle, cart, and checkout.
I know cart. That is the metal thing with wheels that I crashed into a tower of soup cans once.
Yes. In the UK, they call it a trolley, but in the US, it is a cart. And aisle is the path between shelves. Remember, the US is silent.
Like an island? Aisle?
Exactly. And the checkout is where you pay. It's not called the paying station. Alex, if you see a sign that says, "Buy one, get one free," what does it mean?
It means I buy one, and then I run away with the second one.
Well, legally, yes. We call it a BOGO deal. It is the best way to save money in American stores.
BOGO? That sounds like a dance move. Do the BOGO.
It stands for buy one, get one. If you see that, grab 2 of everything. The cashier will always ask, "Did you find everything okay?"
I usually just say yes, even if I couldn't find the bread. Is that bad?
If you couldn't find something, tell them. They might have it behind the counter.
Oh, so I can say, actually, I couldn't find the fresh parsley.
Perfect. They will either send someone to get it or tell you it's out of stock. In many states now, they ask if you brought your own bags, or they ask paper or plastic.
I remember this. You told me not to say yes.
Right? But here is a tip. In big stores like Walmart, if you use your own bags, you might save 5 cents.
5 cents? Emma, I'm going to be a millionaire.
Every penny counts, Alex. Okay, I am the Walmart worker. You are the shopper. Let's go.
Okay, I am walking into the store. I see you.
Welcome to Walmart. How are you doing today?
I am doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well. Can I help you find anything?
Actually, yes. Could you tell me where the light bulbs are?
Sure. Those are in aisle 14, next to the batteries.
Aisle 14. Thank you so much.
Hello. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did. But is this cereal on sale? The sign was a bit confusing.
Let me scan it. Yes, it's buy one, get one free today.
Awesome. Let me go grab another box real quick.
No problem. Will you be needing bags?
I have my own bags in my pocket.
Great. Your total is $6.50.
Here is a $10 bill.
And here is your change. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Let's recap. How do we ask for a location?
Excuse me, do you know where the is?
Correct. And what do we call the thing we push around?
A shopping cart.
And what is a BOGO?
It's my favorite thing. Buy one, get one free.
And finally, always be polite to the cashier.
I feel so much better. No more cat food for me.
I'm glad to hear it, Alex. Shopping is a great way to practice your English daily.
If you enjoyed this trip to the market, make sure to subscribe to the Step-by-Step English podcast.
Don't forget to like the video and tell us in the comments, what is your favorite American snack?
I'm going back for that BOGO chocolate. See you guys later.